Assigning different workflows to different issue types or ticket types in Jira. Right now you can see I have got one workflow, which is this workflow, and this one workflow is used for all the different ticket types / issue types in Jira at the moment. So what I want to do is I want to assign a different workflow to task. All I need to do is go click add workflow, add existing. I've already set up a whole bunch of workflows in the back end, as you can see. And I want to assign this workflow to a different issue type. And what I want is I want to assign it to task. So right now, the remaining issue types all use the same workflow, but my task now has a new workflow to do in progress done. And that's how simple it is to assign different workflows to different issue types in Jira. Once I'm done with this, I'll just publish it, select the relevant remaining tasks, what status they will go to. So right now I've got 0 tickets in the issue type task, and I'll just push it back and associate it. Give it a quick refresh, and everything is back and assigned. All tasks are now assigned to the new workflow. It's as simple as that.